Welcome to Stupid Science. I'm Eric, your bad boy of science, and this is Jamie, the walking white noise machine.
Well, actually, fun fact.
No
about
fun
white
facts.
noise.
Let's get into the first experiment.
Stupid Science.
Jamie, these are the upside down Googles. You put them on and they boop, flip the world upside down. I hypothesize that with these on, I can be able to go upside down and it'll actually be easier to do basic tasks.
Like what?
Like party. Whee! Are you ready for the experiment? I gotta stack the cups.
Right.
Here we go. Realize better, man. Here I come. I see the cups. Here I go. Yeah. Wait.
Doing great.
No, they're all upside down. Willy-nilly. Hold on. Whoa! Ah!
Oh no.
Oh no.
Unstack. Hey, you're doing great.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey! Whoa, what year is it? Jamie, I'm in the upside down. Get me out of here.
Okay. All right.
Demogorgon's coming for me. Oh my God.
Oh, your marks get set. Go.
Are my teeth close to this? Where are they? Oh, I have no idea what's happening. What? This is crazy, Jamie. Whoa! Oh, did I do it?
Let's talk about some other science.
Okay, Jamie, back to the science lab. Whee!
Eric, mirrors are really cool, but did you know that with a glass here and some water, we can make our own mirror? I've got a little message that I wrote on this piece of paper, and I wrote it backwards.
Is it a sweet message?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it down here behind the glass. Here we go. I'm gonna pour this in, and it's going to bend the light and flip the message backwards so that everyone at home can read it. And they can let us know in the comments what it says, Eric, and that'll be a little present for you later.
And if you say this in a mirror 3 times, I will show up in your bathroom. Jamie, these are elemental ink pens. It's got special ink that can disappear with heat and reappear with cold. Now, my hyperbole is that my body science can make it both reappear and disappear.
That's not how thermochromic ink works.
I got here some loose jalapenos. I'm gonna eat these, and then my breath is gonna get so hot that I can make the ink disappear.
So that's a common misconception. When you eat peppers, your mouth in your mouth.
Just write a word. You write a word, spell it correctly, please. We're gonna need that for the science experiment. Oh, it get hot.
So surprised it's not working.
Switching to my backup plan, Jamie. There we go. Oh, get up in there. Bacon with the pits.
So it really needs like a lot more heat than that. Quite.
Let's see.
Oh, you ripped it. Still there.
Still there, a little moist.
The real science behind this, as I've said, is thermochromic ink. It changes color when you add heat. To make it disappear, you got to apply real heat. Boom, gone. It's not actually disappearing. It's simply turning white. Here I've got the same ink on a red piece of paper. As I apply heat to this, it's going to turn white instead of disappearing. All right, so you can still kind of see the outline of the word here.
It's turned into a ghost word, Jamie. You just made a ghost. Everybody in the studio now is cursed. Perfect. Jamie, welcome to the great science area. And check it out. I've got the Strato launcher, the water rocket. This baby can shoot up to 350 feet. But Jamie, my hip hop is that if I fill it with Bang energy drink, I can shoot this baby to the end of the earth, which is flat.
I'm failing you as your science buddy, but this is actually an interesting experiment because you've got a question that we can test. I've got an altimeter here. This little guy right here will measure how high the rocket goes in the air.
4, backwards E, 2, 1. Whoa!
That went pretty darn high. According to the altimeter, that went up almost 100 feet, 98.
Dang, that was pretty good for boring old water. Let's see what Bang with creatine can do. Here we go, the newest one for Bang, sponsored by Bang. Here we go, 100%. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Well, look out, Caroline!
It actually looked like it didn't go quite as high.
It also splashed me with Bang.
I've got something to show you with some Coca-Cola that I think you might like.
All right, I'm in.
Eric, with some butane, I can turn this bottle of Coke into a rocket.
No!
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 Look out! Cool!
Butane better than Bang.
No way! You want to see what Bang can do? I'll meet you inside! Zoom! Oh! Rocket activate! Jamie, welcome to Science Mountain! Mountain! Now, Jamie, in my pocket, I have the Mega Bounce XTR, the bounciest bouncy ball that ever did bounce. But I think I can make this Mega Bounce bounce even higher. I've got here the Crazy Aaron's Make My Own Bouncy Ball kit. But I'm not gonna be making a bouncy ball, Jamie. I'm gonna be making the ground into bouncy ball. My Hippocratic oath is I'll get that Mega Bounce to bounce so high it'll hit that other moon.
I see why you think this might work, so I guess we'll do it.
Okay, first we gotta get the ground down on the ground. Ha! Bonk! Okay, Jamie, first bounce with the non-bouncy ground. Godspeed! Wow, I almost could get that.
Eric, that bouncy ball bounces really well on just ground.
Yeah, but imagine when it gets bouncier down there. And bounce to the heavens! Oh!
It didn't bounce very high because a bouncy ball needs to compress like a spring in order to bounce up really high. And when you replace the hard ground with soft ground, it couldn't bounce very high. I know you're kind of bummed out, but I brought something up here to help cheer you up. I've got a 75-pound bouncy
Okay.
ball. Hold that.
Got it.
It can compress, so it should bounce pretty high off the roof. And then I got a bowling ball.
gosh.
Okay,
Oh,
here you go. Brought those up for you.
Got it. 3, 2, 1, strike! Oh, it hurt my teeth!
See, the bowling ball is so hard it can't compress, so it doesn't bounce very high.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh!
Even though that ball is super huge, you can see in the slow motion footage how it compressed and then sprung back into the air. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that's why all those adults crowd around when I'm in a bouncy castle to see me spring out like that.
All right, it's time to leave Science Mountain. Come on.
All right, Jamie, this is the world's smallest vacuum, AKA the cutest little crud cleaner you ever did see, except for me. My hyperdrive is that my mouth hole can suck up more crud than this thing can. We're gonna race to see who can get all these cookie crumbs up first. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, this is working pretty good.
Woo! I did my lungs. That was harder than I thought.
So Eric, the vacuum cleaner worked a lot better. Has to do with like air pressure and suction. I got a cool experiment about air pressure to show you.
Fine.
All right, you ready to have your mind blown, Eric?
Oh, blow it up.
I'm gonna pour some water on this plate.
Yum.
It's just blue so you can see it really well.
I got cookie crumbs in my lungs.
I'm gonna light this candle. Take this cup, put it over the candle. As that fire burns, it's using up all the oxygen inside that glass, lowering the air pressure. The air pressure
I get
outside
it.
is forcing the water in.
That was a pretty cool one, Jamie. I'll give you that. I did not expect it. I thought you were gonna fail.
Science never fails.
I failed at science in high school. Jamie, our next experiment features the Handy Grab Nibblers. This is a set of fun chompers. Now, my hypochondriac is that these chompers are better than my chompers at chewing up gum because my teeth were all replaced with Tic Tacs years ago.
It's not even an experiment anymore. It's just not gonna work.
All right, unwrap these gum boy. I'm gonna chew up each pieces of these gum, sponsored by Double Bubble. Let the chomping begin. I'm so sweaty.
One of the many reasons why this didn't work is because there was no saliva helping to dissolve the sweeteners and the flavorings in the gum. Fun fact, your saliva is like 98% water.
I think I got you on this experiment, dog. You just need to add a little saliva to the mix.
That's what you heard. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Is it working?
Maybe we should just move on. Eric, I have an amazing potassium chlorate experiment. We're gonna turn this gummy skull.
Oh, I don't think so. Goodbye.
That19.com